So what's the difference between a near-side bus lane and an offside bus lane? Well, as we come down the road, if you look at the blue sign on the right in a second, that's going to tell us that 3 lanes ahead and the right-hand lane becomes a bus lane. So out of those 3 lanes in front of us in a moment, the right-hand side is going to be a bus lane, and that's known as an offside bus lane. Basically, it just means the bus is going to be on your right-hand side. Now, as we come down in a minute, within a couple of turns, we're going to swap and have a bus lane on our left instead. And this is what's known as a near-side bus lane. So as we get to the lights, if you look at the blue sign on the right, that tells us now the bus lane is swapping to the left, and it's in operation between 7:30 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. This is known as a near-side bus lane. Basically, it's going to be on our left. Although the lane markings are faded, as we come up the road, we can see another blue sign telling us indeed the bus lane is on our left, and that's the difference between near side and offside.